Hey guys, this is Octavia with Realty, and today I am in Huntersville, North Carolina. I am actually touring some homes that are located within the Olmsted subdivision that are being built by Pulte. Now, this particular subdivision, if you know anything about Huntersville, has been going on for quite a few years now, but they are finishing up. So there's only 34 lots that are left here. And Pulte is going to be building the rest of these homes that are here. Now, the great thing about this is that there are going to be 17 basement lots. So for all of my people that are looking for basement homes, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to get in and build a custom home with a basement. Now, the starting price point of these homes are going to be $900,000 on up. Now, one of the great things about these particular homes, is that you're going to be able to design your home. So you'll be able to go to the design center and choose out the options that you would like to see in your home. So this particular community features tennis courts, there's a lap pool with a water slide, and there's also a clubhouse that has a fitness center. So the model that you're going to see today is the Stonegate model. I hope you guys enjoy. Love this foyer area as you come in. This is an office space, sitting area. Really, it's whatever you like it to be. And right over here, you have the formal dining room area. I love all the natural light that's coming in. The detail, the wainscoting. And they carried it up higher than you normally see wainscoting. Wainscoting normally stops like halfway on the wall here, where the credenza is. Okay, down here you have a powder room that comes into a guest bedroom that's right here off of the main. Closet. It's a nice size walk-in closet for a guest room. Okay. Coming back out, you have a full bath here. Ooh. Nice stand-up shower. And then you come into the guest room. You did the shiplap on the walls here. I love the round mirror, but I'm a little biased. Right. Coming back out. Oh, look at the beautiful staircase. I love the natural wood elements that are in this model. The flooring ties into the banister. This beautiful living room area. Fireplace. Walk into the kitchen. You have an eat-in kitchen area here. Look at these beautiful cabinets. oversized island. Come in a little closer so you guys can see. Love the double cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. This is a blue subway tile that they've done like a herringbone design on. Got plenty of storage space in this kitchen. It's another view. Right over here you have little butler's pantry. That's right off here where the formal dining room area is. So that's definitely good if you're entertaining. You can have everything right here. Got a wine cooler. Back in through here, you have another little sitting area. That leads right here to the screened in covered porch. It's a beautiful day here in Huntersville. And you also have the patio area here. Ooh. A little bit of WD-40 on that door. You guys get a view of the back of the house. As you can hear, they're working on the other homes. I'll do a quick little pan. So they're finishing out this subdivision here. All right, we'll go back inside. Get another view. Okay, we'll head on upstairs. Right here at the landing, you have a beautiful flex room space, loft. This has a closet here, so you could make this an extra bedroom. These two are closets here, so you could just add a door there. Plenty of flexibility. We'll come back out and we'll go to the left. Give you guys a view from up here. You can see the front door, which is beautiful. The double doors. Coming off here, this is the primary suite. Can I just tell you guys that I have always been in love with the exposed wooden beams. I just love that in a home. I think it gives the home so much character. This has the shiplap on the wall as well. And this is your bath. Ensuite. Look at this tub. Now this is a soaker tub. I love soaker tubs. Walk-in shower. It's an oversized shower. I've got plenty of storage in here as well. And then you come into the owner's closet. This owner's closet is nice. And I don't know if you guys can see, but they've tied in the color of the cabinetry that matches the backsplash that was in the kitchen, which is a great way to just bring uniformity into a home. And I'm still in the primary closet. It's another view. All right, so we'll come out of the primary ensuite and we'll go back down here to the right. And this is where you have your other guest rooms. Very nice size guest rooms. This one has like a Jack and Jill situation. And the good thing about it is that the guests do not have to share a sink, as you can see. Just the shower and the commode. And this leads to the other guest room. Coming back out, you have a full bath off of the main hallway. And this leads to another guest room. Take it back out so I can show you guys how large this room is. And here you have the closet for this room. So this model actually is 3 stories. So we're going to come back out to the main hallway and we're going to go up the stairs. And up here you have another loft or flex space. This space is nice. You can make this an entertainment center area. There's a bathroom up here. And then you have a closet space here. Give you guys another view from this room.